Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Bissell Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This is America's #1 brand, the best in portable deep cleaning. The Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner has a number of positive features, including large tank capacity, 48 ounces. Tank allows for less time spent refilling and more time cleaning. Versatile use, scrubs and suctions away tough stains on carpet, upholstery and auto interiors. Powerful suction. The Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner has powerful suction that can remove even the toughest stains and messes. And the best part is that this company proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation, a non-profit organization that helps save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. Bissell is proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. Honestly, there is nothing negative we can say about this product. In our experience, we didn't have anything to complain about. It's really a product that's worth every dollar. The price is $100, and if you go to the link, you'll see nothing but positive reviews. You can find the product link in the video description. We promise it will change your life and your cleaning time. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.